Shalom guys, shalom guys. Today is another day. Uh, we have another machine, at least from the same old trend, where I brought the machine that I said earlier. This is Samsung. And actually, the problem with this is you can see everything is simple. The power jack is not working, so we are going to change the power jack. I'm going to connect it to Toshiba because I don't have a spare for the Samsung port. So I called in earlier when I told him whatever port I have, once I can fix for it to work. All you need the machine is to be in a working condition, be in good condition. So I told him, okay, either I told him I rather convert the port, the Samsung port, to the Toshiba port. So that's what I'm going to do now. Because this one, I don't know whether you want to do a power. So when you plug in the power, the Samsung adapter or charger, the main volt doesn't go through the main power line. So that's why I'm converting. I'm going to connect it to Toshiba. So but before I think it is proper if I should just do a test so at least you all have a witness as to how the machine currently or the condition at which the machine was and after the condition at which it is now. So let's just do a quick test. Let me get an adapter. I'm coming, please. Oh, okay. It's in here. Sorry. So before that, let's check the multimeter to see the whole it's on DC. So you see, oh, it's gonna come to you. Should be the second camera. Okay, so that's it. So you're gonna plug it in and let's see what happened there. If you have any light are here, so at least you should have a light. And then you get to like that, and the machine is working. So let's plug it in. It's plugging, and there's nothing. I think there's nothing. But if I see the power supply, and I'm scanning the power supply, let's try to, even if you try to read the power supply, you see that for the board is working, as I said initially, the power jack is not a big function that well. So I'm going to fade it before and let's see what happens here. Oh. Give me something. Let me try this one thing before. Hold on. I'm not getting it. Hold on. So let's go another camera so at least you can see what I'm saying. Okay, so catch you in the next camera. Yeah. So that's it. So this is a power jack. I want us to this is a power jack. We're going to dismantle. I've already loosen the screws. So okay, I think that's all. Let's put this inside. Don't need it for now. So this is a snake power jack. Initially, I even tried running some cable through, but still it wasn't going through. So we are going to use the power supply as planned. So see the LED, this where the light I was referring to. So see, I'm going to feed it to volt, and you see it will turn on. So let me pick, but before then the charger is in, it's still not on, so let's see. You can see, sorry, come in. The hot air gun is currently at 450. That's the heat. I'm putting the heat as on it. So you can see we are done. So that's the jackpot. So for now, let me try and get some Toshiba torch. And that one, we're going to do some alteration before we fix it. So I'm coming. So I have some. Since I have some. My stuff. As you can see, this now is just a Toshiba charger. Toshiba jackpot. I want to convert it for the Samsung. Put it off. Please, can cut. So I think I have to check. trying to set it to see how nice at least it can fit into the machine. But some questions as well. Okay. So before we do another thing else, it's better, it's advisable at least you try it before you do any soldering, because once you solder, even though you can move it, sometimes it's just a waste of time and a waste of energy. It can be it can be very, very annoying sometimes. Can you hold on? This off. So I want us to see how best if you fit or if you fix it will be nice. Then at least we do the soldering. You can choose to do it this way, or you can also, if you want, you can also do something like this, depending on how you want to just fix the housing. But just make sure that everything you do, you do a try test to very sure of a position before you solder it. Okay, so sometimes if you're not careful, even after you finish soldering, if you are not much a professional solder or more a professional repairer, at least if you're not careful, you might spoil the PCB board, and it will rather cause a breach on the board, and it will rather worsen the whole situation for you, whereby I want to take your time, spend a lot of time trying to repair the board here and there. So let's put the housing back and see. So what I'm going to do at this moment is try to solder it. As I said, I'll be soldering it behind, so I'll be soldering it here. I'm not soldering it here. When it says it was here, I'm soldering it behind. So let's see how everything goes. Okay. So this the ground. If you want us to check, if you're not even sure, maybe after you finish you can try to troubleshoot to see, because I've peeled all the wires because it was just so you can see a meter. Let's see, you can see the continuity. So let's try and bring it. You can see, so I'm using this first cable. You see, so these are ground, and let's see, these are main line, or these are positive, which is going inside. So that's it. So let's try to do this. So let me get my solder. So I prefer to start with the ground. Oh, sorry, I think you prefer. Sorry. So sorry. So here's okay. I'm gonna try to clean my teeth, the tip of my sodium now. So as I was saying, so that's it. Let me try sodium here. Here is it's a bit seated, but let me try sodium here as well. So at least after that I'll do the dressing. So it's like okay, so I've done here as well. So now what's going to happen now is that we're going to focus much on the dressing of the soldering. So let's go. There we go. So at least it will be very strong. Where I'm soldering is the ground. It's the ground. The ground is confined ground all over the board. So sorry guys. Yeah, trying to give enough space for the ground to operate very well. Sorry. I think it's okay. So the ground is okay. Now let's check. Do it from behind. I say some distance that I've changed it. I think it's okay. What do you make of it? It's very good. Oh, yeah, it's very good. I think it's okay. There's no bridge. Yeah, I'm sure there's no bridge. Sure, there's no bridge. I think there's no bridge. So, you know what's going to happen now? We're going to do a try. A test to see whether we're successful with our job. But before then, we can even use the multimeter as well to check whether the ground and everything is accurate. Let me put my soldering in there, then come back. So put our meter to continuity mode once again. So you can see. Yeah, so let's check. So this is our ground. Whoa, this is the ground. Oh, you can't see, sorry. Let me put it this way right now. You can't see. Let's see the meter. Oh, my meter. What's wrong with my meter? Oh, not again. Hey guy, why you doing this? Don't do this. We're in the middle of taking a video. Shoot a video. We are shooting a video. Don't misbehave. Come on, let's go. Oh, don't do this. It's a shame with yourself. Why? Oh man, so my meter is misbehaving. You have to do. Oh, I just want to show you guys something. Just confirm something. My meter. Oh my, I need a new meter. Seriously. And I'm hoping just arrive. My meter arrives very fast. See, whoa, nothing is happening. My meter is just gone. The battery, I think the cell is now. Oh man. Okay, let's leave it here. Let's troubleshoot. let me get the housing and let's power everything and see. And maybe even before the housing, after you finish, I'll urge you, after you finish, every time you finish doing any soldering work, you cannot show off yourself. If you've done, even whether you are sure or not, I think it's a precaution that at least it will go along with your work. You just try to clean the board with a brush, and you should take every soldering component out of the board. You come out as well, clean the board for it to look a bit nice and neat. Yes. The reason why I advocate for this is sometimes when you don't have time, fine, fair enough, you can proceed and do whatever you want to do. But if not so, please, I will advise and advocate that you do it this way. At least that you will save yourself from trouble. But sometimes there are certain bridge particles or certain soldering particles that might be on the board, which will go a long way. After you just plug in power, you just go poof, then oh my, what just happened? Then, yeah, it's too late. There's nothing else you can do unless you troubleshoot the entire board to be very sure what really happened. And it's a waste of time, man. I tell you, sometimes. Oh my, I wish you don't get there. That's all. So, well, LED lights. These are LED lights, and this charging port. So let's try. I want us to try everything and see whether we have power. Oh, sorry, my charger's not plugging. Let me plug in the charger, please. I'm coming. Sorry. So, guys, as you can see, I put this on my meter. Meter is on a DC mode. So let's check something. If I plug it for, I want us to confirm to be very sure whether there's power. Oh, can see. You see what I was talking about? Light. Hold on. This charger socket is misbehaving. Why, you guys? Should you stop misbehaving? You are in the middle of a shoot. Nice one. Here we go. So the final day has come where we serve the food to our guests. So let's eat. Ba-bum. Here we go. Nice. Well done. Bam. Bye bye. Bam. So where we do this is, let's put it in the housing. We just do let's make sure the board is working. Well, there's no need to just troubleshoot the whole board to see whether the voltage going on there. It was the main problem was just change the charging port. And we've changed it, so it's nothing again to worry about. So you come here. This is our switch. So let's fix everything first. Yeah, this is a switch. All we need now is one of the front spins. I think that's all. Yeah, I have memory inside. So let's plug our newly. Okay. I think it's plugging. Whoa, and we have light. You can see we have light. Can you see the light? I can see a light. So now let's turn it on with the power button. It's here. So power is on. Let's see. There you go. Whoa, we have light, and the fan is even spinning. Whoa, here we go. That's good. So that's all for today. We go and move on to the other camera and just finish everything there. Have a wonderful day, please, and thanks for watching. See you in the next camera. So everything in the other camera. So as I always do, let's finally troubleshoot here. Troubleshoot it here as well. So you can see. Can see the light. Don't know where you can see it. You can see a very green light here. So let's try. Turn it on. Can see not too light. The fan is even spinning. So that is for today. Please, this Gracious Computers, don't forget to please subscribe to our channel, and if you like our videos, please you can like our video and you can share a comment. Your comments are welcome, and if you have suggestions as to how to make the channel better and the videos better as well, please we are here to at least take everything on board to work with Rachel. The next time or each and every day at least you bring a better video and a better content of whatever we provide to you, our clients. and at least our viewers and at least our cherished, wonderful, at least adorable, at least subscribers to our channel. We are very grateful for everything, and thank you for as well for a successful video. At least we did it ourselves. We didn't do anything here to work with you. That's why it's always says have a good day and stay blessed as well. And don't forget, the link is below. If any job, you have any job or you have anything, at least whatever problem you might be facing, the link is there below. You can just give us a phone call, and at least we'll take it from there. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed. It's likely to come your way again for another video. Stay blessed. Until then, God bless you. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.